Five happy little frogs sitting by the pond. Croak, croak, croak. They sing a happy song. Jump up high, jump down low. Splash, splash, splash. Off they go. Five little frogs say, come and play. They leap so high on a sunny day. One jumps in with a giant splash. Ripples sparkle in a flash. Four happy little frogs hop around the tree, croaking happy tunes, as busy as can be. One spots a butterfly floating in the sky. Splash into the pond, what a joyful dive!
Three little frogs dance on a log. They wiggle and giggle through the morning fog. One takes a giant leap, landing with delight. Splash into the water, everything feels right.
Two little frogs wave hello. They hopped together, nice and slow. One jumps laughing with a cheerful sound. Splash goes the water round and round.
One little frog sits all alone, croaking happily in a funny tone. Then with a smile and one big